Hello, how are you today? This is Lori here on Vancouver Island, and I'm having a great day. It was a little cloudy and gray today, which is never my favorite, but you know, I'm in the craft room and I'm doing some painting, and yeah, all is well in my world. I hope things are going well for you as well. So, I have, I think, 6 of these little crappy wooden squares left, and you can see some of them are okay. A couple of them are still a little warped, but I'm going to go ahead and paint them out and get them done, and then I can resin them and, I don't know, give them away or whatever, right? Sell them cheap. Anyway, I'm going to, zoom in and we'll get to painting here. So the colors I'm going to use are a sap green, Monastral green, Thalo green, neon green, and a hunter green. And then I have a gold, and I'm going for a white background, and I'm loving the squiggle. These are my really thin paints. Like, so many of my paints were just craft paints, and once you mix them with a little bit of pouring medium or glue and water in my case, then they are they're really liquidy. So they're not good for a lot of different techniques, but they are really good for blowing around with a little blower. So that's what I'm going to do, guys. Thanks so much for being here today. all just turned out beautifully. Yeah, for being just quick, throw together little coasters. That, I think, is probably my favorite set of the 3 sets. Look how pretty those colors are. That one was just the Thalo blue and the Dioxazine purple and white. Yeah. And there's that last set. Anyway, guys, hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I really do appreciate having you here. And I hope you enjoyed my artistic endeavors today. Have yourself a fantastic day. Bye now.